Welcome to Solve Me Mobiles. If you've played around already, you know how it works. Awesome. I'm going to show you how to draw on it so you can figure things out easier when you get to harder puzzles. I'm going to use the pencil at the bottom of the page, which you can't see at the second moment, but when you see yours, you'll see it. It says here that the hearts are all worth 2, so I'm going to write a 2 beside it so we can see it. And we know to make this balance that this side has to equal this side. So what does this side equal? We've got 2, 4, 6. So this side equals 6. Now this side, what does this side equal? Oh, this has to equal 6 as well. One of the ways you can figure that out is by zero pairing, or doing the opposite. If this is plus 2 and I take away 2 from this side, I have to take away 2 from the other side as well. That tells me that this, which equals 4, should be the same as this. And if the answer is 4, and I submit it, yeah.